The internet has changed everything. It's a gold rush, but instead of digging for gold, we're mining data. We're connecting with people. We are building businesses from our laptops. It's incredible. And one of the best ways to cash in is by teaching online. Forget the 9-to-5 grind. Online teaching lets you be your own boss. You set your own hours, you share your passion with the world, and you get paid for it. What's not to love? Whether you're a coding whiz, a language guru, or a marketing master, there's an audience eager to learn from you. The demand for online courses is exploding. Now is the time to stake your claim in this digital gold rush. So, are you ready to unlock your earning potential? Let's dive in and explore the exciting world of online teaching. It's a win-win. Teaching online isn't just about making money, it's about making a difference. It's about sharing your knowledge and empowering others. It's about creating a flexible lifestyle that works for you. For teachers, the benefits are endless. You can reach a global audience right from your living room. You have complete control over your content and schedule. You can say goodbye to commuting and hello to more freedom. Students also reap huge rewards from online learning. They can learn at their own pace, on their own time. They have access to a wider range of courses than ever before, and they can often learn at a fraction of the cost of traditional education. Online education is a win-win for everyone involved. So, you're ready to share your expertise with the world. But where do you start? Thankfully, there are countless platforms designed to connect online teachers with eager students. Udemy is a giant in the online learning space. It boasts millions of students and a vast library of courses. You can create courses on almost any topic imaginable. Coursera partners with top universities and organizations to offer high-quality courses. If you have academic credentials, Coursera could be your perfect match. Teachable gives you the tools to create your own online school. You have complete control over your branding, pricing, and student experience. These are just a few of the many platforms available. Research your options and choose the one that best suits your needs and goals. Section 4. What's hot? In-demand online classes, not sure what to teach? The good news is, if you have knowledge, you can turn it into a course. But some subjects are hotter than others in the online learning market. Coding and tech skills are always in high demand. Web development, data science, and artificial intelligence are just a few areas ripe with opportunity. Language learning is another evergreen niche. People are always eager to expand their horizons and connect with other cultures. Digital marketing skills are essential for businesses of all sizes. If you know SEO, social media, or paid advertising, you have valuable knowledge to share. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. What unique skills and passions can you share with the world? Section 5. From classroom to cash success stories. Need some inspiration? Countless individuals have achieved remarkable success by teaching online. Their stories are proof that you too can turn your knowledge into a profitable online business. Take Rob Percival, for example. This former teacher built a multi-million-dollar empire by teaching people how to code on Udemy. His engaging teaching style and practical courses have attracted students from all over the globe. Another success story is Jessica Laru, creator of The Selling Family. Jessica and her family generate a six-figure income by teaching others how to sell on Amazon. Her courses provide step-by-step guidance and support to aspiring entrepreneurs. These are just two examples of the countless individuals who have found financial freedom and fulfillment through online teaching. Your success story could be next. Section 6. Ready, Set, Teach, your online course checklist. Excited to get started? Here's a checklist to guide you on your journey to becoming an online teaching rockstar. 1. Choose your niche. What are you passionate about? What do you know that others want to learn? 2. Research your market. Is there an audience for your course idea? What are your competitors offering? 3. Outline your course. Break your topic down into modules and lessons. Create clear learning objectives for each section. 4. Create engaging content. Use a variety of formats such as video lectures, quizzes, and downloadable resources. 5. Choose your platform. Select the platform that best aligns with your goals and target audience. 6. Market your course. Promote your course on social media, through email marketing, and by collaborating with other instructors. And 7. Engage with your students. Respond to questions, provide feedback, and foster a supportive learning community. Section 7. Your online empire awaits. Take action. The world of online teaching is brimming with opportunity, but success won't come knocking on your door. You have to take action. Identify your passion, craft your course, share your knowledge with the world. Don't let fear hold you back. Everyone starts somewhere. The most important step is the first one. So what are you waiting for? Your online empire awaits.